Second choice, Vanguard. Oh, way they go. Nice from the outside. Oroqueta, Terrible Marvin, Golden Pyramid, Vanguard is racing in fifth, moving up by the Russia's Gorgeous Townsend. Golden Pyramid, Oroquieta. Fighting it out for the lead, Nice 2A, racing in third by about 2 lines, Vanguard, and Terrible Marvin fighting for fourth and fifth position. She's Gorgeous, racing in sixth by about 3 lines, and Townsend. And passing the half-mile post, Golden Pyramid, Oroquieta from the outside. Keep on matching the strides together. Then here comes 2A, Nice getting closer in third. And Vanguard racing in fourth by about 3 lengths. Terrible Marvin as they race the last 450. 3 runners fighting out for the lead. Oroqueta in the middle. Nice on the water outside. Golden Pyramid. Then here comes Vanguard. Nice 2A by a length and a half. Oroqueta, Vanguard is running by the rail. 2A, Nice followed by Vanguard down on the inside. Nice, Vanguard moves up, and finally Vanguard. 2A, Nice, Oroqueta, Townsend, Golden Pyramid. She's Gorgeous, Terrible Marvin comes last.
Okay.